Merchant Circle is another directory where you can list your business. In a separate browser, go ahead and open merchantcircle.com, and then in the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click Join Now. Here you can go ahead and register your business name, phone number, address, and zip code. And then you can go ahead and choose the categories. Once you choose the first category, it will give you a second and possibly a third option. So go ahead and fill that out to as much detail as possible. And then on the right hand side here, you're going to fill in the contact information using your company information spreadsheet. And you can also go ahead and enter the email address. This is going to be the Gmail address that you have access to and where we are sending all of these confirmation emails. Once you have all of the fields filled out, you can go ahead and click I certify this as my business and accept Merchant Circle's terms of service. And then you can leave the other two boxes unchecked or check them if you would like to receive that information. Once you have everything filled out, go ahead and click Submit. And then on this page here, you'll see that they offer you 3 different packages that you can purchase. If you don't want to spend the money on a monthly basis for an account, however, you can scroll down a little bit here and click No Thanks. And then again here, they will try and sell you on a couple different packages here. Again, if you scroll down to the bottom here, you can click No Thanks. And then on this page here, you can go ahead and finish building out your listing. You can go ahead and click on each of the separate links if you want to, or if you just click on one of the links, you'll see that you can access different pages from this page as well. On this page, you can edit your business categories that you've selected. I know that we already chose a couple when we first set up the account, but from my understanding, there's not really a limit to how many categories you can choose. So I would recommend taking another look through here and seeing just how many categories you can choose to fit your products and services. You'll also notice here that I jumped automatically into the Categories tab. Don't forget to go back and edit your business information. On this page, go ahead and look through and make sure that every field is filled in. And then if you scroll down the page a little ways, you'll also notice that there's a section for your business description and your business hours. Don't forget to select the bubble that says Use Hours of Operation below. And then if you scroll down farther, you can select which payments you accept, and you can enter in your website URL. And then I would also recommend entering in as many keywords as you want to focus on. Once you have all of this information filled in, go ahead and click Save, and then scroll back up to the top of the page. If you click the city service areas, you'll find a page here where it lists all the cities that surround your business. In order to change or add all of these areas of service, you need to have a paid listing. So for this case, where we just have a basic listing, you won't be able to do anything on this page. But I just wanted to kind of show you this. This is a nice feature, but you know, it kind of depends on if you want to pay for your listing or not. If you click the Map tab, you want to make sure that your location and your PIN marker are in the appropriate place. Websites and links. Here you want to make sure that you have your website URL listed, and I would also recommend adding a custom URL to the end of your merchantcircle.com URL. This just kind of gives it a personalized touch, and you aren't just a number in the Merchant Circle world. If you click Profile Picture here, you can easily select a picture from your computer. Local favorites is kind of one of those optional steps. If you want to act like a normal person who's using a merchantcircle.com account, you can go ahead and fill in some businesses. Otherwise, I would just skip this step. And then the advanced settings, again, is just kind of, you know, an extra step here if you want to uncheck or check these boxes for what things you want to allow or show. This is kind of up to you. So at this point, you have filled in as much information as you have available. Don't forget to go back into your Gmail account, because Merchant Circle will have sent you an email, and you need to click on the confirmation link inside of there to activate your account. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and sign out by clicking the button in the upper right-hand corner.